Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, classmates. So, ang naka-assign po sa aking topic is Training Activity Matrix. So, ano nga po ba itong Training Activity Matrix? Wala po akong idea kung ano po ito. So, isi-share ko na lang po sa inyo yung na-search ko para magka-idea rin po kayo katulad ko. Learning Objectives. After reading this information, you should be able to first, plan the activities of each trainee using the training activity matrix. Second, prepare training facilities and resource for training. Training facilities. In LO5 of the module on planning training season, you learn how to make an inventory of your training resources and how to lay out your workshop and your training facilities. You also learn how to organize these resources for easy access maintenance. Your shop layout specified location for you, CBT, and area and the learning station for each competency. Resources were also specified in your job sheet. These are your reference materials and preparing them for your training seasons. Since your reference material and preparing them for your training seasons, since your trainees are working with different competencies at the same time, you should design a way such that material needed by trainees for their learning activities can easily be accessed. This is the reason why each instructional sheet should have a list of training facilities and resources. Proper scheduling and management is the answer for the use of limited equipment. The trainer should therefore schedule training facilities based on both current competency of trainees and the availability of training resources, making for that no trainee. The following training activity matrix is recommended to schedule and monitor the use of the facilities resources. This training activity matrix should work hand with your season plan. This season plan for the whole qualification and for trainees with different learning style, while the training activity matrix is daily plan which will show the activities of each trainees. This matrix is a monitoring tool of trainees' activity for the trainer. The vocational instruction supervisor and the administrators may also look for this matrix when monitoring competency-based training. This matrix, along with a well-prepared season plan, is a good indicator that the training. So, dumako po tayo sa guideline kung paano gumawa ng activity training matrix. Guideline in making the training activity matrix. First, write the training activity for the season based on training needs and on trainees' chosen competency. Second, based on the instruction sheet needed in the activity, job sheet, task equipment needed for the activity. The inventory of training supplies, tools, equipment, and facilities is very useful when planning for the activities of trainees in a class. Third, instructional sheet number should be specified. Fourth, trainees should not be crowding in a workstation, work area. Limit the number of trainees to 5 and below per the workstation or learning area. Fifth, ensure full utilization of equipment or work area. Avoid limited number of equipment to prevent crowding of trainees. 6. Date and time of sure should be specified. 7. Remarks should be moved on the activity of each trainee. This will be your guide in planning for the activities of your trainees. The next season, you may include the following remarks. For assessment, to be assisted by name of a peer mentor, needs more practice of job sheet, and any other comment pertaining to the training of each trainee. The number workstation will vary dependent on the number of workstation and the CBT layout. Number of workstation may also be dependent on the number of mock-ups competency. It is recommended that this training matrix be accomplished as guide in the scheduling trainee very season. This is an additional tool in monitoring trainees' activity and the use of facilities, tools, supplies, and materials. So, dito na po magtatapos ang aking report. Maraming salamat po sa